Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry. I'm going to show you the quickest way today to unlock the Wakemaker inside of Subnautica 2. So the Wakemaker is just nice to have because it speeds you up before you get the tadpole later on in the game, and I have a guide on how to get that too. And the first thing we're going to do to get this is split into three pieces. Is we're heading sort of to the northeast from the Lifepod, and you're going to want to head to the northeast, heading towards this giant wreckage. And then next to this giant wreckage up on this hill is a vortex that sucks us down into a cave. It's not really a big deal. There's some hidden goodies down in this cave, so that's where we're going to go. So down in here, you're going to immediately find this lovely platform. The first Wakemaker that you need to scan is right here, along with an audio log. After that, you can grab yourself some oxygen, and then you can head out this far end of the cave. This is actually a really quick little route that you need to take, so it shouldn't take you that long to unlock the Wakemaker, even if you are running at a slower speed. Now the next one is going to be over near the Angel Comb, so if you know where that is, you should go ahead and find it. Basically the Angel Comb, we just came out of this cave here, so we're going to head towards this Angel Comb, again to the northeast. And the next one that we want to unlock is down here below us inside this little cavern with all this equipment in it. The next Wakemaker that you need to scan is right here. After that, we're going to head out the opposite side of this cavern, heading towards the Angel Comb, which is right here. And then the last fragment is going to be to the north. What on the compass it should say 15, and there is another platform right here that has the third and final component of the Wakemaker. There's also some other fragments around, like wall racks and stuff, so make sure you're scanning all of those as you're exploring. And then that's it. You should have the Wakemaker unlocked with the three different fragments and be able to craft it. The Wakemaker is not terribly expensive for this part of the game. It just requires silver, a wiring kit, some grease, and a basic battery, which in the grand scheme of things is honestly not too bad, especially for the increase of speed that it gives you, combined with the biomod that you can get from the Welcome Center that gives you a sudden burst of speed. So I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.